We're inside InterNACHI's free online decks course, and we're talking about weeps, creeds, and holes. And here's a really nice illustration of a drainage plane behind a brick face and the weep holes there, allowing water to drain from that cavity. Masonry, stucco, and eaves and other cementitious type claddings are not waterproof. Moisture that gets through or that condenses behind the exterior wall covering must be designed to drain through the openings at the bottom of the walls. And deck ledger boards must not block those drainage openings. Weep holes for anchored veneers, like this brick veneer illustration shows, can be made of corrugated plastic, a tube, a wick, or simply not grouting the head joint. These drainage openings are permitted to drain on a deck or below a deck, but not into the back of a deck ledger board, floor joist, or beam.